So we're gonna short Apple right now at 137.80 in real time, so you guys can see it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to my daily charts right now. As you see it, we got a hammer right here. It tells me what? We got a support right there. No, that's not true. Sometimes these hammers get broken down, as seen on YouTube.com by the point ranker. So let's go back to the daily time frame and check this out. As you see, we said we wanted to short it at 137.80. So let's forget about it for a second and come back later and see how far will it reach. Where, folks, will you think it will reach to the trading range? I'm looking at it right now. What I do is, alright, very nice short in real time. So as you see, we got a support right here. We got a resistance right there. But in real time, so we're in the money, folks, in real time. As you see, Apple right now, the tape is moving fast. So I just wanted to show you this with you in real time. What would I exit? Well, I believe that it will retrace half of this range. So if I draw a line here, so we're still short. I go back into 1 minute, and you got it. So as you see it in real time, the stock bouncing on half of yesterday high and low. But like I said, what will I take my profit? I will take my profit near this visionary line. Why? Because it's half the distance between the high and the low. So we'll see. Anywhere around here, I'll tend to take a profit, and I'll exit my short in real time. And it's exactly done for you, so you can see exactly how these things done. So the tape is right here. You see it. Our entry is from 137.80, and still in the money. 137.36. Will I exit right now? I will exit if it breaks the 139, 140, 137.26, 137.23 in the money, folks. As I see and as I'm saying it to you in real time, let's see if the stock retraces in the middle of the range. And as you see it in real time, it's retracing in the middle of the range, and that's accuracy it can't see anywhere else with professionalism in day trading. So if you're really serious about learning professional skills and take your skills to the next level, here you are in real time seeing it live. So the stock from entries at 137.80 we got in at its went all the way down 137.35, 137.30. So if I'm not going to exit, or I'll take quarter of my positions if it breaks the 40. So at least I gained 40 cents on my, let's say, 1,000 shares, 500 shares, and I'll let the other one rolls just in case if it continues short to the downside, testing the highs and lows of the ranges. 137.20. So I'm not exiting right now. I'm not seeing anything compelling for me to exit. We are in the money, but as you see, the stock is stuck in the middle of the range and broke it. But will I continue short? Will I add to my positions? Of course not. You know, the real short was executed between 138 and 137.80. And now, as in real time, you see it, the stock is retracing and chopping around in ranges. So let's go back to the 1 minute. And it's absolutely, I'm going to, exactly, so you can see in real time. And you see the stock right here. It's coming back up. Let's go back here. You can play with the time frame. It doesn't matter, you know. As long as you understand the candlesticks and what's happening and the ranges and such thing. As in real time, let's go back to 1 minute. So we have here, exactly, it's retracing and reversing and pausing from the short to the upside. Exactly, with professional accuracy. But will I exit? No, because we said I'm not going to exit anything until it reaches to 137.40. Why? Because it might continue down to the downside. And here you go, 137.11, 137.13, and such more. 137.11, 13, still chopping around. Let's see if it breaks the 137 and goes down to 169 minus. So let's see that, okay? I can't say anything, but I'm seeing a lot of compelling volume. That means we have a lot of players on the table. So therefore, that means the stock might continue down or reverse back because it moved its initial yesterday's range. So therefore, as I drew to you in real time the line, see the accuracy in my professionalism in day trading. Again, will I exit? No. I'm not going to exit until it goes back to the 137.40. It tells me that the change in directions has shifted for real. Therefore, it's just a test of a test and continuing down to the downside, as you see in real time, 137.10, 137.11, 12. So it's still chopping around between the 137.15. Oh, breaking it down in real time. Let's see if it breaks the 137, folks. Come on, let's do that. All right. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Usually what I do is I take profit near the 137, which is the whole numbers, and that's where buyers and sellers meet more. And psychology numbers, it tells you to exit and take your profit. And here you go. Bam! I'm not going to exit, but I'll take 3/4 of my shares. Here you go. From 137.80 all the way down to 137.18. So I'm taking 3/4 of my shares right now. And I'm going to let 1/4 just if it goes back to the 137.40 because it just retraces and continue down where it's keep going down. Kick the bucket when it's down. It's exactly. Here you go, folks. I'll exit all my positions. I'm out. Took my money and the money. I just wanted to share with you this in real time as seen on YouTube.com. The point ranker. When I say something doesn't work, absolutely. What I lie to you, it's in real time. It's exactly so. But I took my profits. And again, as like I said earlier, 137.40. But again, is you can take your money in any time you want. As long as you are in the green zone, you are a profitable trader. Just remember that, folks. All right, just wanted to share this with you as you see me in real time. Wednesday, July 8th, 2009. Trading Apple short. Teaching you and sharing with you professional strategies that only share to professional and the big boys on Wall Street.